this video, we'll be delving into what Bitcoin is, how it works, and how much more will it increase in the next 2-3 years, and why it's generating so much buzz as the currency of the future, and should we invest in 2024? Welcome to your Wise Thinking channel. If you are new, then please subscribe the channel. So let's start the video without any delay. So before we start the video, I want to tell you about a man, and he is Tim Draper. Tim Draper is a venture capitalist and founder of Draper Associates. He purchased a large amount of Bitcoin seized from the Silk Road Marketplace auction in 2014 and has been a vocal supporter of the cryptocurrency ever since. His early investments in Bitcoin have made him a wealthy figure in the crypto world. So before investing in it, let us discuss what exactly Bitcoin is and how does Bitcoin work. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that operates without the need for a central authority, such as a government or bank. It was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. By the end of 2009, the price of one Bitcoin was a few cents. But today the price of one Bitcoin is $72,004.23. At the heart of Bitcoin is blockchain technology, which is a decentralized ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. This ensures transparency, security, and immutability. Now let's talk about how Bitcoin works. Transactions on the Bitcoin network are verified by miners who solve complex mathematical puzzles to add blocks to the blockchain. In return for their efforts, miners are rewarded with newly minted Bitcoins. So now we know what Bitcoin is and how it works. So how can we become wealthy by investing in this? Investing in Bitcoin offers several potential paths to wealth accumulation: long-term holding, diversification, strategic trading, taking advantage of volatility, and last, staying informed and adapting. You won't understand like this. So let's discuss in some details. Long-term holding. By purchasing Bitcoin and holding onto it over an extended period, you can benefit from its potential long-term appreciation. Many early adopters of Bitcoin have seen substantial returns on their investments over time. Diversification. Including Bitcoin in your investment portfolio can help diversify your holdings, potentially reducing overall risk. As Bitcoin often moves independently of traditional asset classes like stocks and bonds, it can provide a hedge against market volatility. Strategic trading. Some investors actively trade Bitcoin, buying low and selling high to capitalize on short-term price movements. While this approach requires skill and timing, successful traders can generate significant profits, taking advantage of volatility. Bitcoin's price is known for its volatility, which can present opportunities for savvy investors. Buying during price dips and selling during peaks can yield substantial gains if timed correctly. Participating in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Beyond investing directly in Bitcoin, you can also invest in companies and projects within the broader cryptocurrency ecosystem. This includes cryptocurrency exchanges, blockchain technology companies, and decentralized finance projects. And last, staying informed and adapting. Keeping abreast of market trends, regulatory developments, and technological advancements in the cryptocurrency space is crucial for successful investing. By staying informed and adapting your investment strategy accordingly, you can position yourself for wealth accumulation in the evolving crypto landscape. Here's a small extra tip for your investing journey. If you are watching the video till here, let me give you a tip. Stay patient and stay consistent. Building wealth through investing takes time and discipline. Avoid the temptation to chase quick profits or make impulsive decisions based on market fluctuations. Instead, focus on a long-term strategy, stick to your plan, and trust in the power of compounding returns over time. So if you have money, then how can you invest in it? So let me tell you. Choose a platform. Firstly, select a cryptocurrency exchange or trading platform from where you can buy Bitcoin. Popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Next, create an account on your chosen platform. You'll need to verify your email address and provide some personal information. After doing this, complete the KYC process. This involves verifying your identity and address. You'll need to submit government-issued ID and address proof. Next, deposit funds into your account. You may have the option to transfer funds from your bank account. Some exchanges also accept debit and credit cards and other payment methods. Then purchase Bitcoin. Place an order to buy Bitcoin with your deposited funds. You'll be able to buy Bitcoin at the listed price on the exchange. After that, create a wallet. To secure your Bitcoin, create a cryptocurrency wallet. Options include hardware wallets, software wallets, and mobile wallets. Transfer your Bitcoin from the exchange to your wallet. And last, security measures. Keep your account secure. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be cautious of phishing scams. So this was the investment process. So I want to tell you one thing right now. 7 months ago, one Bitcoin was worth only $25,376, and you already know its value today. So I want to tell you some points which you have to keep in mind while investing. Number 1, risk tolerance. Understand your risk tolerance and invest accordingly. Risk tolerance varies from person to person based on factors such as age, financial situation, and investment goals. Number 2, research. Conduct thorough research on the asset or investment vehicle you're considering. Understand its fundamentals, historical performance, and potential risks. Number 3, market conditions. Consider current market conditions and economic factors that may affect your investment. Stay informed about macroeconomic trends, geopolitical events, and regulatory changes. And last, emotional discipline. Maintain emotional discipline and avoid making impulsive investment decisions based on fear or greed. Stick to your investment plan and avoid trying to time the market. So this was just about Bitcoin, but there are many other cryptos like Ethereum, Binance Coin, and many others which we have not talked about, so we will soon take a video on them also. Remember, every successful investor started somewhere. It's okay to start small and gradually build your portfolio over time. Stay focused on your goals, stay disciplined in your approach, and don't be discouraged by temporary setbacks. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep believing in your ability to achieve financial success. The journey to wealth may have its challenges, but with dedication, perseverance, and a positive mindset, you can overcome them and reach new heights. Your future prosperity awaits. Embrace it with confidence and determination. So this was the cryptocurrency Bitcoin, and if you do not have money, then it is necessary to build an income source. How will you invest if you do not have any income source? We will make a video on income soon, so that's why subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.